Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2017 Suzuki Van 200. This motorcycle has 1,260 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Tires on this bike, still good shape, plenty of life left in them. It comes with aftermarket front signals and bar end mirrors. This is an aftermarket rear brake light. So they took the license plate bracket off and moved it up. Rear tire as well, still in great shape, plenty of miles left on that. Rear aftermarket signals. And again, our bar end mirrors with the aftermarket front signals again. You know, don't really find any type of tip over or lay down damage on this. You know, got some scuffs on that front fender and that moved tail bracket here. But all right, this bike has 1,253 miles on it. Oh, set the camera down here. This 2017 Van 200 will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.